Kesorka Meghalaya kalapan pau palat lai po ar Hajar Ngut ke Nonghikai hakajala kidang hapan pendep ya ke teachers eligibility test selane ke TET kumbala betha da ke hukum jo ke Supreme Court ke padang shen kabala betha babaro ke Nonghikai ke padang tri kide ban pendep ya ke test ban peteng hakikam ki jongki Menteri Katanat Pulih Putih kejala ubak lakmen Rymbui ulapan pau bak kesorka katemu ban ujor da ke review petition ha Supreme Court ban pan kajeng penlait na kebentakin Nonghikai Kiba La Shuh ban penteri kamya ka anya right of education lane ka RTE ulakan Thoh bak hukum jong ka ying bishar bahakli do katrikam haden bakalawan ra ya kajeng ya ki Nonghikai balathung Shuh ka RTE kan trikam Kesorkar kan kerpat ya ka ying kashri bakan bishar biang ya ka hukum jongka kenang bakin Nonghikai Kiba La Shuh baka any RTE kan trekam kinyo ban lait laong ubak lakmen Rymbui. Shuh ulapan syai bakin Nonghikai Kiba La Pyndep ya ka Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test lane ka MTET kinom Donkam ban wanmi ya kino ki additional lane ki advanced version jongka examen TET. Kajing petha jong ke Supreme Court kalapan mi ya kajing sokya ka bajur hapdeng ki Nonghikai Kiba bun hak jala Meghalaya Kiba bun naki kila syakri da ki bun senam klem da yo ya kajing pensisha ya ka TET kajing temu jong ke sorka jala ka temu ban pentikana baki jing syakri jong ki kin om syak pentut kat baki dang penek ya kajing but renti ya ki kendon Pulih Putih jong kari India.
The government have already taken a decision that review petition will be filed in the Supreme Court against the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court on the 1st of September 2025.
Okay. That in services teachers should clear the TET. How many teachers in Meghalaya will be affected?
Around 32,000 plus teachers will be affected. When you actual affected, that means they have to clear the TET. We don't know, maybe all of them will clear the TET also within 2 years. That let's hope it will be like that. But about 32,000 teachers have to appear and clear the TET.
But the Meghalaya teachers eligibility tests. So why would teachers who have cleared this MTET, why would they have to clear the national?
It is not the national. The MTET is the exam which the teachers have to clear. Plus, they can also qualify through CTET. For the state of Meghalaya,
So those who clear the MTET will no longer have to clear the TET.
Those who have already cleared the MTET, they don't have to appear in any other TET exam. Their service is secured. Their service will continue as on date.
Carry a study to find out the qualification of these teachers. Last time you had told us whether any such exercise has started.
Yes, exercise have been done. That's why about 32,000 plus teachers don't meet the criteria. That means they don't have the TET.